Hi guys, in today's video I will show you how to create a bright sky effect in your car edits using simple steps. Let's get started. By the way, if you want these exact shakes, just a reminder that AM Film Shake preset pack is linked in the description. It's the easiest way to make your edits look expensive with a quick drag and drop. Once you finish color grading your clip, duplicate the layer. Click toggle switches / modes and set the blend mode of the duplicate layer to screen. Then turn off the bottom original layer so you can clearly see the changes applied to the duplicate. On the top layer, apply the Luma key effect. Set the key type to key out darker, since we want to remove the darker areas of the image. Start increasing the threshold until the sky remains bright and the darker parts of the video are removed. If the sky also starts turning black, adjust the threshold to find the right balance until the sky appears clean and white. Once that's done, scrub through the timeline and make sure the sky stays white throughout the clip. If everything looks good, increase the edge feather to 35 to soften the edges and create a smoother transition between the sky and the rest of the image. Next, apply a glow effect. I will use the Deep Glow plugin, but if you don't have it, you can use the built-in glow effect, which works fine as well. Then apply Gaussian blur to soften the overall effect and give it a smoother, more natural look. Set the blurriness to around 25, as it provides a good balance. With the effects complete, turn the bottom original clip back on. The bright sky effect is now ready. Let me turn off the top layer to show you the before and after. If the sky appears too bright, press T on your keyboard and reduce the opacity to balance it. In some cases, you may notice visual issues, like bright objects such as buildings being affected by the Luma key, which can create an unwanted look. To fix this, we can use a mask and isolate only the sky so it remains bright. Go to the beginning of the layer and select the rectangle tool, then mask the upper part of the video. Press F on your keyboard and increase the mask feather to around 400 to create a very soft transition, blending the sky smoothly with the rest of the image. Next we need to track the mask. Press M and enable the mask path stopwatch to create keyframe. Move to the end of the clip and adjust the mask position so it follows the sky throughout the entire video and stays properly aligned. Now preview the final result, and we are done. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you enjoyed it, please give it a like.